Here's the computer case, and there's the fan of the processor. It's on the back, so it's a water cooler. And I power on the machine. The fan is spinning, so it's working, it's not burnt out. Okay, then it slows down and it stops like so. And on the monitor I get a message with red text: CPU fan error, please check. Okay, and then the Windows and BIOS and everything starts. Okay, so I will restart the computer with Ctrl Alt and Delete. Ctrl Alt and Delete. Now press Delete on the keyboard to enter BIOS. I'm using an MSI B350 PC MATE motherboard. I'm pressing the Delete key. The same CPU fan error message. Okay, and we are here in BIOS. This BIOS was updated. Before update it looked differently, so the mouse is very slow. I have to use the keyboard. Go here to Advanced, then come down to Hardware Monitor, and on Hardware Monitor the second one, CPU fan 1 type select, and it's on DC mode. If I press enter, we have another option, PWM and DC. So currently it's on DC. If I move it to PWM, that fan will start. So from here to there, I press enter, and voila, the fan is working. So on DC is not working currently. Maybe the settings are incorrect. So by modifying it from DC to PWM and then save and exit, you can do that with F10. Save configuration. Okay, and now the fan is spinning, the processor's fan. Okay, it's restarting, it's saving the settings. LED is turned on here, and the error is gone. And it's spinning. So before I was using Windows and the fan was stopped. It had no cooling. I mean, the water pump circulated the water inside these hoses and the radiator, but the heat was not blown off from the radiator and the temperature slightly increased. And now it's functional.